This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. For my birthday, a couple of my good friends were nice enough to give me the gift of some Tesla Model 3 light upgrades. These are the LED lights, the courtesy lights throughout the car. And we're going to be going over today the unboxing and also how to easily install these pieces. This is the projection one that goes underneath the doors, and it has the Tesla logo and also is a lot brighter than the original one, but we'll be doing some of the other lights inside the car too. This is another product called 3D Shadow Light, and this is for your Tesla door lights at the bottom. You can use these, come with the kit from this other company. They're great, they're really bright. These are also brighter, but they also display a logo. So they make these for a lot of different car companies. And this one is for Tesla. Let's take a look. Open it up. It's called Shadow Light. Alright, let's see what we got. So this has like a little projector. That's pretty cool. Okay, we got that. And that. Nice. So it has the logo and a little projector here that shines it down. That is slick. And then these hook up. These are the connectors for your bringing power to the light. This model, you know, it's kind of built into it. This is just a little pigtail that comes with it, but it'll plug in just as well, and then you stuff it up in there. Little clips hold it. That is cool. Labeled right and left. That's neat for the door. Oh, you know what? This would be if you have, yeah, this is for the 4 doors. I'm sorry. So 2 for the front, 2 for the back. So we're going to go ahead and install that too, and we'll give you an idea if it's brighter and how well it displays. And I would guess there's a certain way that when you put these in to the door, you want to get it in correctly because you want it to put the logo in a certain direction. So we'll play with that and put that in the video for you. Doing the unboxing of the model. This is for Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y interior LED light improvement. These are bulbs that are just a little brighter than the ones that come stock. So we got the cover off, taking this off, and then first thing we see are the different bulbs that are available to us. Take these out. It's kind of what the bulbs look like, LED, and they're pretty easy to put in. They have these little clips, you just push in. But to get those clips to let go on the old ones, there's a little tool that can slip in there, and then you can push in to get that to go down, to pull out the old bulb. Comes with the instruction book, and this gives you the step-by-step. Looks pretty easy. So we're going to go over this in the video. And what it says on the instructions is that you have 9 white LED lights and 1 prying tool. It says pry out the old original equipment manufactured light with the prying tool. This is the prying tool. Pop the OEM lights out and then plug in the new Bogue RV lights. It says tip, because we use real OEM TE connectors, there's no wiring required, so it's, you know, plug and play. You just are going to push the power module or electrical module connector right in there. It's super easy. And then once that's done, you just push it back in place, and those little clips will lock it in. So we'll do that for all the lights in the Model 3, and it's going to be very similar for the Model S and the Model Y and the Model X. So it comes with a nice little container for the bulbs. There's 2 per container. We're going to open it up, so like a little Ziploc bag. There's one, there's another, and I believe they're all the same size and the same design. So once you get them out, You can get them ready, put them in the box, and then you can just real quickly go from one to the next. Yeah, it looks like they're all the same size and design. A Model 3, this is a 2021 Model 3 Tesla. We're just checking the light, this courtesy light that comes out of the bottom of the door, the brightness at nighttime. So we can see with the projector that not only is it much brighter, but you also have the nice logo too. That's pretty cool. All right, this is on a 2021 Tesla Model 3. We're going to be replacing the little LED light in the front. You can see this one looks good. I'm going to be putting in one in that we think may be a little bit brighter. Take a look. So to get this off, I'm just going to grab underneath here and pull up, pull the top off. When you get here, you want to grab this modular connector and pull back. If this video is helping you, please consider pressing down in the lower right hand corner of your screen the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel. Thanks. So this one doesn't work for the front. It looks like the front you need to get a special one. It'll actually have a little image on it like that. But if you had a new one, you could just push in on these clips, take out the old one, push in the new one. Once you have the new one in, you just put the modular connector back in, make sure it's all the way in as far as it'll go to click, and then have these tabs come in at the top here first. On the reassembly, push down and then push in to get it to lock in at the bottom. Alright, locked at the top, locked at the bottom. Alright, we're underneath the Model 3 door on the driver's side. We're going to be removing this light. So it gives you a little pry tool. It comes with the kit. Push it in, pry back, and it lets me get the light out. Gives me a little bit of slack here. So to get this out, I use the little standard head screwdriver to get in here and pry it back. Pry that back. There's the old one. I'll put in the new projector one. Should fit right into here. Close these two. Alright, there we go. Projects down on the ground the word Tesla, and I think we want it to read that way, and the logo. It's pretty slick. I'm going to stuff this back in. So when you put this in, if that little label that says L is facing away from you, I think that would project it the best. Get the wire up in there first. I'll push this up in, lock it in. It's kind of cool. So when you open it up, it says Tesla like that. I think that's the way you'd want it to read. All right, we'll do the other doors too. So now we're on the back driver's side. Just gonna lay down here. There's our little light shining up. So we use this pry tool to get behind here so we can make it let go. Get it in there. Yeah, there we go. So it pries out. Pull it out. Get the light on here so you guys can see better. So we're getting it in here, pushing in and then prying, and it pushes in on these plastic pieces to let it go. So you don't want to be like right there, you want to be up a little bit so it pushes in on those tabs. When you get it out, you can separate this piece from this piece. And if it's a little bit too hard to pull it, you can use a small standard head screwdriver, and you can get it in here just to kind of pry it apart, to get it to come loose. There we go. All right, now get the new one. I'm going to connect. By the way, when you disconnect it, your window's going to move, but don't let that freak you out, because as soon as you connect it, it'll move back. And we're going to connect the new projecting one, push it till it locks in. Yeah, and the window just reacted. There's the projection, and we want it to be where the logo is pointing away from you. So if you look at your light, one side has an L on it, so push that away from you, so you can't, so it's facing away from you. And then we're going to push the wire harness back in, just push it until it clicks. Got it. Open the door, see the cool Tesla logo, and that matches. So we'll do the other side. We're going to do the right side of the car, or the driver's side, for these projecting lights that shine down from the door. We'll do the front passenger side first. Yeah, this will just take you a couple of minutes to do. So we're just going to get our little tool up in there. One side here is more of a depression, so it's harder to get the tool in. So you want to do it on the side that has a less of a depression. Tool in there, push in, wiggle, it should come out. There we go. Okay, then we have the little power connector. We're going to use our standard head screwdriver to pry back a little bit and get that started. There we go. And we're going to pull it free, and you're going to hear the window move. Don't let that worry you. We'll grab a new one, projecting one. We're going to hook up the power. Push it in until it clicks. Push it all the way. Alright, got it, and projecting the logo. Let me turn off this light. So we want the logo to point away from us, like that, away from the car. So now we're going to feed it in. So when you do this side of the car, the little label will actually face you when you put it in. This is on the passenger side. You're going to push this up inside, push it until it locks. Got it. Now we'll do the other. Looks good. So you open the door and you got that cool logo. We'll try to show you guys at night what it looks like too. Okay, so this is currently what the light looks like. Kind of dim, doesn't have anything. And the new one is a projector. It'll be a lot brighter, and it'll have the Tesla logo. Alright, so to do that, just like on the last one, I just want to get underneath where we can see it better. We're going to push in our tool, go in, and then pry so it comes loose. We're going to come in from the top, right in the gap there. Separate those, put in the new one, all right, push till it locks. There we go. You can look at how it's projecting. So you want it to be the logo facing away from the car. And again, on this side, you'll see the little R label facing you. Feed the wire in there first. Then we'll feed in the projector until it clicks. Got it. Okay. So we can see with the projector that not only is it much brighter, but you also have the nice logo too. That's pretty cool. So one thing we notice when we take off the old original Tesla LED light and we compare it to the new one, if you look carefully inside, The old one has one LED light and the new ones have two. So wherever you install these aren't the projector ones for the door, but these are like the ones for your glove compartment. It should be about twice as bright because you have two bulbs instead of one. Alright, we're in the trunk of the Tesla Model 3 and we're going to be replacing this LED light with one that came with this kit. It's made by Bosch RV and it comes with a whole bunch of new bulbs, but they're supposed to be brighter so we can compare them. So we have that one now currently. We'll try this other one and see if it's brighter. So to get this out, there's just some tabs here on the side. We have to come in from this side and then from the other side to get that out. It comes with a little tool to help you. So looks like we just push in. Here goes a new one. So I'm going to just push it in until it clicks. Man, these are a lot brighter. Man, at least double, might be 3 times brighter. Push it in, and let's see what we got now. Yeah, that's pretty bright. So you open up your trunk, and you can see what's going on with these new ones. Big difference. I'd say at least twice as bright. Doing the one in the glove box, and I just came in with a standard head screwdriver up at an angle, pulled it down, and then I'm going to separate it here, get out the old one. There we go. Alright, here's a new one. It has the 3 lights. Put that in until it locks. Clicks in, push that in position. There we go. Alright, so that should be a lot brighter. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.